Good afternoon, students. Today, let's go for the circulation of blood through human heart. So, we'll be going for that diagram very quickly. See, this is the heart I'm drawing in one stroke. These are the different parts of the heart. See, this is our heart. Now, this one is called the right auricle. What is called? Right auricle. This one is called left auricle. This is called, below the left auricle is the left ventricle. This one below the right is the what? Right ventricle. Both the ventricle are separated by interventricular septum. This is called what? Interventricular septum. Clear? Now, here you are finding the occurrence of valve. These are called cuspid valve, bicuspid and tricuspid. So I am writing cuspid valves. I think it is clear to you. This one, which starts from the right ventricle, this one is called pulmonary artery. The one which starts from the this is what? Left ventricle. This one is called aorta. Clear? Here we are having two passages. These two are called superior and inferior vena cava. Is it okay to you? Here there are another one is called pulmonary veins. Is it clear to you? Heart is the size of a fist and it is having two chambers. That is called pericardial. These are called what? Two-layered chamber. Two-layered chamber called pericardial chamber. Now student, try to get it. I will be putting impure, I-M-P-U-R-E, impure, blue, and what? Pure, what? Red. Pure means what? Oxygenated. And impure means what? Deoxygenated. Now, try to get it. The impure blood from the defined parts of the body enters the right auricle through superior and inferior vena cava. Through this superior and inferior what? Vena cava. Superior vena cava brings blood from the upper part of the heart and inferior vena cava brings impure blood from the lower part of the heart. Okay? So where it enters? It enters right auricle. Here in between another thing was there, that is interauricular septum. Interauricular septum, writing it blue so that you can understand. So what happens? If chamber gets filled up. When the chamber gets filled up, it undergo contraction. When the chamber contracts, cuspid valve opens. It opens like this. And the blood now moves to the what? Right ventricle. This cuspid valve has one important character. What is that? It does not allow the backflow of blood. That means the blood that has entered cannot go in the reverse direction. Now again, this right ventricle, when it receives huge amount of blood or the chamber is filled up, it undergo contraction. Then what happens? There is the occurrence of semilunar valve in the mouth of the pulmonary artery. See, this one is pulmonary artery. Now the blood now moves through the pulmonary artery and reaches lungs. In the lungs, purification of blood takes place. Here I would like to mention one thing. Pulmonary artery is the only artery in our body which carries impure blood. Now what blood reaches? Blood reaches now lungs. In the lungs, blood becomes purified. What is the meaning of purification? It becomes oxygenated. Oxygenated blood enters the left ventricle through pulmonary vein. This is a pulmonary vein. Again another thing coming. Pulmonary vein is the only vein in our body which carries pure blood or oxygenated blood. So this chamber, when it is filled up, this is left auricle filled up, what happens? It undergo contraction. So I will be showing it with the help of red. As I told you, pure is what? Red. It contracts and the cuspid valve opens. And the blood now enters where? It enters the left ventricle. Again, when the capacity of the left ventricle is filled up, it undergoes contraction and now blood is pumped to the aorta. This is the aorta, and from the aorta, it moves to the defined parts of the body. Can you get it? So, this is the way how the circulation of blood takes place in case of the mammals, which we have 4-chamber heart. Thank you, students.